Good morning, all. Some students have been having issues uploading files, and I kind of believe I know why because I've had the same issue in the past. And here is an example. A student just sent me this. Here's an example of an error message that the student is getting right here. Image upload error when you try to upload one of your images to anything like a peer review or anything in Canvas. And let me tell you kind of why. And I think you all should kind of remember this. And I have to do it myself periodically. Okay, what am I talking about? Let me go into Canvas, and I'm going to show you my account. So in Canvas, when you're here, click on your name, click on your picture or this thing that says account. Okay, Canvas only allows a certain amount of megabytes for each person to have on Canvas when they upload files, and you have to replenish that after you've uploaded, over the span of time you have classes. But Canvas doesn't tell you that. When you get an error message like this, they don't tell you, well, go into your file and your data and refresh it. So let me show you how. So again, click on your account and then click on Files right over here. You should do it today, now, and just see. But click on Files. Now you get this window, and ignore all my stuff in here, but what you want to do is go to Conversation Attachments. Because and see on the bottom here, I have used, because I replenish this all the time, I've used 53% of my 52.4 megabytes that I'm allowed. That's all you're allowed. So if you go over that, Canvas just shuts you down and doesn't let you upload anything anymore, but they don't tell you what the fix is. Well, this is the fix. So I'm going to click up here on Conversation Attachments, which is pretty much where you can either and also click on Submissions. But let's go first to Conversation Attachments. So I'm clicking on it. Now, do you see all of these files that are in here? Well, these are my old ones. I've sent these to students. I've sent them to you via emails, but I don't need any of these anymore to be in there. So this is what I'm going to do. And remember, it said 53% of 52 megabytes allowed. I'm going to use, instead of the word used, I'm going to say allowed. So all you have to do is I'm going to click on the first one. Whoops. I did not mean to do that. Let me close that. As soon as it's done doing what it's doing, I didn't want to do that. I just want to click off to the side here. Now I'm going to go, I want to highlight that one. Okay, see how it's highlighted. I clicked over here in the white area. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to shift click. Now I have all of them. Now, if you want to keep a couple of them in there, then this is what you need to do. Click on the first one, hold Command or Control, and click on the next one. You can skip two and click on this one. On a PC, you hold Control. On a Mac, you hold Command. And you can grab ones like this. See how you don't, if I held the Shift key, it would select them all. But if you don't want them all, you can do this. So I'm going to click on the first one again and shift click on the last one. And let's say you didn't want to get rid of this one right here. Well, you hold Command or Control and you click it and it unchecks. See, it unchecks. But I'm going to Command click it on my Mac. Now, I have it all selected. As long as this dark line shows up, I know I'm good. Now, you go up to here and you see the trash can. Let's go trash it. And it'll say, are you sure you want to get rid of these? I'm going to say yes. Now, sorry. See how it still says 53%? All I have to do is refresh my screen. Now it says 0%. Now, if it still had percentage of stuff, you can go to Submissions. And you can see here in my Submissions, I have something that's in here. And let's go see if I have anything in here. Okay, all I have is a very old movie that I made for something. And I am going to click on this, and I'm going to get rid of this too, if it's even possible. Okay, I don't see a trash can. Maybe I can right-hand click. Nope. So it's not on submissions. They don't, they being Canvas, they don't, I can't think of the word. They don't, having stuff you've uploaded for submissions does not impact how much memory you are allowed to eat up on Canvas's server. Does that make sense? Okay, so just go to conversation attachments. I have nothing in there. It's 0% now. Where I was getting an error before, I'm pretending I'm a student, on trying to upload stuff to peer reviews or emails or whatever. Now I should be okay. All right. And I learned that because I had to call Canvas last year and they said, well, Mr. Sorial, you are, they don't call me Professor B. Mr. Sorial, you are way over. I was like 5 times over the amount I was allotted. I didn't even realize I had to do this. So on every class, I let them know, constantly go into, and let me show you where it is again, under Account, under Files, under Conversation Attachments, select them all, hit the trash can that's going to show up in this area, okay? And this should say 0 or close to 0, okay? I hope that helped, and kind of remember to do that periodically. Thank you.